I organised this workshop because we had several experts here at KIMEP studying cognition, and some people studying things to do with the brain and artificial intelligence. And I also had some people who were visiting Almaty at the time. And I thought we can get them all together and they can talk to each other and present to each other. And maybe we can sort of make some connections and see what we're all doing.
Can't really say what was most interesting, everything. Because today I've learned so much about different AI tools for various research topics, from linguistics to psychology to like Alzheimer's disease.
Well, I do believe that the main idea of the workshop is to create bridges between brain functioning, machines, technology, and people.
I would like participants of this workshop to take away the insight that potentially the hypothesis is that our cognitive states also have a cyclicity, a pattern, that is currently not well established.
I am particularly interested in developing collaboration with presenters that talked about corpus linguistics using Kazakh language.
I think the biggest thing that people can take away from this conference is that there are a lot of different approaches to machine learning or cognitive science, or all these different interconnected fields that seem kind of separate from each other, but are actually deeply woven into each other these days.